Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you how I clean up my nail desk and prepare it for a new press-on set. As you can see here, she is messy. She is straight up
mess.
I need to clean it. Looking at this now, I'm like, wow, it's so great, really good. So I kind of start with just organizing all of my press-ons. I had them sprawled out just because I wanted to take photos and stuff like that and like progress pictures, but yeah, it's a mess.
You can say that again. It's a mess. I'm saying it again. It's a mess.
So I apologize, this is the fastest I can make these video clips, and I think I realized way too late, like post-editing, I recorded all these clips in slow motion. And I was wondering why they were so hard to transfer onto my PC. That's why. And that's also why there's no audio. I was talking in some of these too, and I was like, what's going on? That's what happened. It was me. It's okay though, voiceover me is coming in clutch as per usual because I don't know how to operate a camera. Good job!
No.
Anyways, back to the actual video. So yeah, I've cleared out the space, I have sanitized, I've set it up for another little nail napkin. I always forget a dental bib. That's what they're called, a dental bib, but it's all set up. So here I am ripping off all of the previous little sticky tacks I had on here. What I use is a bit different than a sticky tack. It's definitely a much stronger adhesive, but what I like about it is that not as much residue gets on the nail. That's what I don't like about the sticky putty sticky tack. And at this very moment in time, I'm realizing that these small little Pro Tools tweezers are not going to get the job done. And it's very difficult. I'm struggling a lot here, so I will have to bring in the big guns. Thank goodness the big guns are here. That last clip was so long. So these tweezers, I actually got at a pharmacy a few years ago, but they're just the very basic rose gold tweezers by Tweezerman. These are amazing. They're not too expensive. Just don't go super fancy with the tweezers. You'll be fine. Here I'm doing something that I probably would have done typically before setting up all the nail stuff, but it's just cleaning off the little reflective plate in my nail lamp.
Okay, what's going on here? Why is everything chrome?
Something that I found to be quite helpful is making sure that you have your little press-on case ready before you even start doing the press-ons. Having to look for it while you still have them on the little stands is really annoying. This clip is completely out of focus, but basically I was trying to explain, even though my mic wasn't working, that these are the little adhesive dots that I use, and I cut them into little slices so that they last longer. And after everything's sanitized, you want to start putting whatever adhesive strips you use. Again, I think these ones are literally for posters, but they work really well. And then here I just took off the little paper part because I'm ready to put nails on there. Here I'm buffing that little piece of plastic at the edge of my apres tips because no matter what, they always come with that, and that's fine.
Is it fine? Because I don't know if it's fine.
What I meant to show earlier is that I actually do not etch the inside of my tips. I etch them chemically with a primer. And now here, I'm just showing you me buffing the nail. So you just want to buff the surface of the nail so that the gel adheres properly. You don't always have to do this, and honestly, sometimes the difference is so minor, but I just thought I'd show you because sometimes I do this in my process.
Guys, the fact that I actually recorded this in slow motion is so embarrassing. I'm looking at this and I'm like, no one's gonna watch this and they're not gonna like how long the shot is. All of these shots are so long. I sped them up and they are so long. I'm crashing out.
And here's the set that I ended up working on this day. It's kind of like a leopard print, sort of Valentine's-y type of set. Wow, look at the glamour shot. Ooh, glamour shot. Wow. Ooh, so pretty. Ooh. I apologize for that. I didn't mean it. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for that. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!